Architecture of MCP, a client-host-server architecture for context exchange. Up until now, we have discussed the Model Context Protocol as a conceptual framework for managing context or information for the large language models. While that understanding is foundational, it's important to know that there is also a specific implementation of MCP, which outlines a concrete client-host-server architecture that you see on the screen, and is a stateful session protocol built on JSON RPC. This specific MCP aims to enable seamless and secure communication between large language models and various integrations or servers that provide context or information, tools, and prompts. It's designed to bring AI capabilities to various applications while maintaining clear security boundaries and separating concerns. The MCP architecture, as you see on the screen, is built around three distinct roles: host, client, and servers. In this image, hosts and clients are in the far left box. The servers are in the middle, and the database and APIs at the left side of the screen are sources of information. Let's have a look at host application. So the first component of this architecture is the host application, also known as the orchestrator. The host application is the primary AI or LLM application, for example, a desktop AI assistant like Claude Desktop, an integrated development environment like Visual Studio Code, and so forth. It acts as the container and coordinator for AI interactions. Some of its responsibilities include managing clients. It creates and manages multiple client instances. You can think of every client as a plugin that loads into the host application. Security and permission. Controls client connection permissions, enforces security policies, handles user authorization, and manages consent requirements. Context aggregation. Manages context or information aggregation across different clients to ensure that the main application has a unified view. For example, if you have one client that makes an API call to an external system and you have another client that loads the data from database, a host application can combine those pieces of information together to provide a unified view. AI LLM integration coordinates the core AI LLM operations and overall workflow. Conversation history. Crucially, the full conversation history between the user and the large language model stays with the host to ensure privacy and control. Think of the host application as the brain of the AI application, which orchestrates all the different sensory inputs and tools. In the next lecture, we will explore the client component of the MCP architecture.